Hello, it strengthens the walls of the uterus. That's amazing. And this is just an herb, you guys. This is one of my favorite books, the Little Herb Encyclopedia, and it's by Ritchason. It actually, like, if you're looking for a certain herb, it'll just break it down and like all that it does for you. It's also for children to use. It's good for colds, diarrhea, fevers. It's amazing. Hello, it strengthens the walls of the uterus. That's amazing. And this is just an herb, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get my water started, and I'm going to get it boiled. In the last video, I didn't mention tea bags as a way to boil your herbs, but I got this from, you can get this from anywhere, I believe. I think even Walmart has them. I got it from a health food store, but they literally come just like this. It's a huge bag, and it's the same tea bag your tea comes in when you buy it out the store, except this is just so you can customize it. But I love this because it's quick and I can just take it on the go. I don't have to worry about a mess with like strainers and stuff. This is the red raspberry leaf. I swear it's legal, y'all. But this is exactly what it looks like. So I'm about to measure about 3 tablespoons because I did 3 cups of water. Y'all, this is the simplest thing ever. I'm like legit just scooping it out and putting it in there. That's my 3rd scoop. I have 3 cups of water. I'm gonna wait till my water is done boiling and then I'm gonna put it in there. And also, all you wanna do is just tuck this so the herbs don't come out. They'll pretty much stay once it's in the water. Here's an example of different types of strainers you can use or buy. There's so many out there. Here's a little tiny one. It looks just like this one, but like way smaller. And then there's the tea bags. So like there's a lot out there, guys. So y'all, my water is hot enough. You see I have it on like medium. Just gonna put it in there, make sure it's all covered. And that's all you do. You cover it, turn it off, and move it off of this burner. And this is steeping the tea. You want all that steam to stay inside. And you're done. All you want to do is pour it in a cup, drink 2 cups a day, and enjoy it. And guys, that's it. If this information was beneficial to you, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, leave me any comments below and any questions that you have. Follow me on Instagram as well.